and give you a little, while I hold that, just give you a little taste of the Thunderbirds R4 Go dialogue.
Will do, Penny. There's a big press conference tomorrow evening. You'll be representing a British magazine.
Extremely loose.
You rang, lady?
Yes, Potter. Get out to the Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
We're taking off for America. Immediately.
Such a small joint.
Thunderbird 2 from Mobile Control, you are clear to land. Mobile Control from Thunderbird 2, SAB.
It is just not sticky at all. I think I need Thunderbird 2 over here.
Well, I guess we're all set. By tomorrow morning, Thunderbird 3 will be in the correct orbital position to keep an eye on the launch path, and we've got all our gear here. Thanks. I guess that's all we can do for the moment.
I guess it is.
Conference tonight. Oh, no thanks. As far as we're concerned, the only good publicity is no publicity.
And in conclusion, as I always say, the only bad publicity is no publicity. So have a good conference.
I'm going to turn it round. I've got a feeling looking at it.
You half an hour because, as I'm
So
sure you are
difficult to
aware,
tell.
they have a very busy schedule ahead of them tomorrow.
No, that doesn't look right.
Captain Paul Travers.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Lady Penelope Claxton Ward, representing the University Mirror. First question. Tell me, what do you find most frightening? The ordeal of this press conference, or your flight tomorrow in Euro X?
Well, without question, this is a press conference, ma'am.
Thank you, Captain Travers. Now, I'm sending a messenger over with a small St. Christopher, specially struck for the occasion by the Universal Mirror. I would like to tell my
Hello, Gerry Anderson, doing a fine job with Penelope's voice.
Very kind of you. Well, it looks as if my time is up. Best of luck for tomorrow.
No, I'm not happy with that.
Captain Paul Travers.
Package from Lady Penelope, Universal Mirror.
That's not bad.
Right.
Not
There'll
bad.
be 3 crew and 2 scientists.
That's actually not bad.
Right. Right again?
Yeah, I'm going to leave that.
1,400 hours tomorrow.
Okay, Captain Travers, we'll just turn you off a minute. That's that little job done. Right, landing gear, you're going there. Now, let's see if we can do anything with the remote control. I've no idea what these joints are. I think they're probably the hinge. Get the remote control, which I think is the same one that's on the Century 21 Joe 90 Max car. It's a nice little bit of kit, this. Yeah, and there you see it opens up. Looks like an old-fashioned walkie-talkie. It opens up, so it's battery case, and you can control the whole 0x or just the MEV, which acts like an independent vehicle, which is pretty damn cool. Okay. We're travelling on 30,000 feet. Right, I'll give up on the Captain Paul Travers impersonations and just have a look at this joint. Right. Okay, I'm looking at it and I'm not really seeing how it works at all. They look completely different, those bits. Completely different. And I'm wondering if they're off something else. Ah, blimey, here we go, another core blimey moment. They're massive. They can't be off this. I don't know what they're off. It's a 0x Enigma. I'm just looking inside. Well, the actual remote control hinge is fairly small, and I've definitely only got one bit of it. It's not functioning as a hinge at all. Not skilled enough to repro the parts. I'm not going to even attempt that, and they're extremely visible. But these parts are off something, but what? I don't know. Let's have a look at the main ship. Got the main ship here. I've got a little bit of damage there, but it's not that. There's the main landing gear. There's the latch for attaching the lifting bodies. Something rattling around actually, I'm not sure what that is either. You know, I do not know what those parts are. I thought they were off here. Not to worry, we're going to leave that. Put that to one side. Put those to one side, make sure I don't super glue them to the table. Right, what I'm just going to have a look at to see whether that base plate on the friction drive, which has got the JR monogram, says number 70X, registered design number 927493, made in Hong Kong. So I happen to have another 0x base plate here. Now, just looking at that, I would say that that's probably in worse condition than the one I've got. Oddly enough though, the corner that is damaged on mine is perfect on the spare one, but I'm not going to attempt to do anything with that. I suppose if you were really skilled you could cut that shape out completely, perfectly in that corner and glue it on, but that would be being a perfectionist, I think. There's nothing else on this. There's nothing else I can do, there's nothing else that needs attention. There's the remote control socket there. That's a spare one. And that's the well, it's not friction drive, is it? It's battery operated drive. That's it. That's what powers the main body. And it does shift actually. Okay, so not much to do there either. I'm going to leave that alone because we've got these unidentified. Maybe something missing on the top of that actually, but it's nothing to do with those bits I've got. I'll have to have a look on to see. Oh, and now the whole thing's gone in. That was clever. Unfortunately, it's come out again. Right, I'm going to try and just leave that as it is. I'm not entirely sure what's meant to happen with that top fin. I'm just wondering what it is that's rattling around. There's no way of looking at it. No way of getting it out, that's for sure. Always something rattling around in my Century 21 toys. I mean, I've got a feeling I know what it is now. There's, I can see that fin there, but I can't see the other fin. I bet that one's inside. Now there is a screw. Oh God! Dare I? See, there's a mechanism here, which is obviously reliant on that base. Do I actually want to take that apart and try and get that out? See, that's what it's meant to look like. And it's obviously in there. Oh, blimey, decisions. Right, I'm just going to have a quick look. If I can quickly find a screw head, mini screwdriver, which I have done. I'm just going to see what happens when I just open it up a little bit. Screws come out. I can guarantee the other fin is going to drop right out now. I'll end up with... Okay, what I'm trying to do is get that other fin to fall out, aren't I? Yes, my lady. I am. This is where a head torch should be good, actually. So you could actually see what you're doing. I wonder what Park would make of all this. Messing about. Be too busy eating Chelsea bombs, having cups of tea. Well, knowing Parker actually, he'd be down the local dog and duck, wouldn't he? I mean, a swift down. No, I'm struggling with that man to get it out. I can't actually see it now. Right, I'm just going to do some prodigious shaking. Which always helps. Going to take the old specs off, the old Morecambe Ice specs, see if I can actually see anything at all. Right, what I'm going to do, folks, is leave it there and try and get that other fin out. I don't want to bore you senseless with my inane rattling. So, quick blast of Captain Paul Travers to see us out.
Height 50,000 feet. Mach 2.8.